Airdrop season is still in full swing, and we're going to be looking at 3 specific crypto airdrops that are super time sensitive, but also have super high potential for very nice airdrops. I don't want to kind of sugarcoat and over embellish the potential of these, but these are probably the 3 most exciting ones right now that have a limited amount of time, that have TGE dates or airdrop dates that there are already expected, that if you're looking to have a very nice end to your year, you want to have a few extra dollars for your second cousin twice removed Christmas present, then this video is for you. We're going to be looking at each of these, how to get involved, how to maximize your points, all that and more in today's video. If you're new here, my name is Alex. We talk about crypto news, crypto passive income. If you enjoy content like that, consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, smash up the like. Without further ado, let's jump in the video. Now, the first thing I want to let you know as we dive into each one of these is there's different approaches to participating in these airdrops. But the biggest thing to understand is the 2 that we're going to talk about first, you don't have to put up any money or use money to participate in and qualify for the airdrop. Now, the last one you may already qualify for simply from having participated in crypto for the last several years. And if you want to get higher on the ranking list, then obviously trading can definitely help out. But we're gonna deep dive into each one of these. By the way, if you're not following me on X, I already posted a great post on detailed ways to participate, but oftentimes a video concept is a lot easier to follow. So the first thing that we're gonna be talking about is called KiteAI. Now, I've talked about KiteAI multiple times already, and I've done a deep dive in a prior video that I'll link down in the description. But KiteAI is essentially an layer 1 protocol that is focused on AI payment systems, and more specifically AI agents ecosystem, being able to make payments and purchases on your behalf on the blockchain. So really cool concept, very unique. They've raised over $33 million from the likes of PayPal and Samsung, some pretty big names in the industry. PayPal pretty much makes sense. And when you look at the earlier details that were dropped by them, 48% of the tokens are allocated for the ecosystem and community. So a very large portion that is going to be allocated. And then obviously out of that 48%, a portion going directly towards airdrops. Now, the biggest thing that we've started to see and the traction that KiteAI has gained has come in the form of participating in the upcoming launches. So it is going to be first launched and featuring on Binance Alpha. There's going to be a Kite airdrop there. It's been listed on pre-TGE trading on exchanges like Bybit, where it reached about a $1.7 billion fully diluted valuation. There's a lot of opportunities when it comes to Kite, a lot of excitement, and we're going to talk about how you can qualify. So the biggest thing that you have to understand is this is completely free. Everything is incentivized testnet called Ozone that we're in right now. There's no snapshot that has been announced, so there's still time before we get to the actual TGE. And when I say there's time, you need to get on this today. So this list here gives you a very basic understanding of what you need to do. First, you need to mint your testnet badge. Now, for me, I've already done that. You're gonna find this on the very bottom. And you're gonna see more than likely you're gonna be eligible for the commemorative badge. And once you click mint that, you claim that badge, what you're gonna see is up here, you're going to see your badge showing here. Now, for some reason under my account, I've already put a support ticket. My account doesn't show this. I don't know if it was an update that was done and they didn't pull it up, but on a separate wallet, I have it already showing. This is what you should see on your end. Now, the other things that you're gonna be able to do is get free XPs, free points for accomplishing social tasks. So connecting your X account, connecting your Discord. Now, I've already done that. And once you do that, then you're going to have the opportunity to get more points by following Kite friends. I've done that, it's not showing up yet. And then retweeting KiteAI's post and then joining the Discord. Now, on top of that, you get points also for referring friends. So if you haven't joined, use my link down below so that way you can also refer others if they're looking to join. Now, if you go over to your points, which is gonna be on the top right, you're going to see the amount of testnet points that you've earned. And you can see on the V1, so we're currently in V2. V1, I didn't have anything, but in V2, this is what I have accumulated thus far. And if, in fact, if you click on earn, it's going to also show you exactly how much you have accumulated and how you are accumulating those points. So for example, doing a swap transaction gave me 25 points. A daily quiz is 50 points. There's daily quizzes are available. And then there's points allocated for agent actions today. So participating with some of the agents, faucet tokens, that happens as well. So you get that every 24 hours. And so you can see some of these different things that you get points for. So KiteAI agents, simply by interacting with these, you have to understand what you're doing. So for example, Sherlock, you have to post a transaction or a transaction hash for it to see, the idea is to help to identify if it's a fraudulent transaction. So you need to post TXID, transaction ID. For Professor, you can say, what is proof of AI? Asking some of these questions, just simply interacting with these is going to get you points as well. Now, you're going to get points for staking. So you stake your testnet KiteAI tokens. So as you can see right now, I believe I have mine on Byte or on Bit. I forgot which one I staked it on. Maybe it was on a Veronica. Don't know exactly which one. Maybe Bitmine. Okay, yeah. So I had mine staked on Bitmine. You can stake to any of these and get points for it. So I have 1.5 testnet kite tokens currently staked and available to unstake. So you have to have at least one kite token. You can do that every 24 hours and claim directly through the portal. Like I said, it's completely free. It's just incentivized testnet. So very, very simple to participate through these. And then on top of that, these are the KiteAI agents. There's also other agents that through their subnets, you can also qualify for points through. So Byte, Bitmine, and the likes of AI Veronica. So highly recommend, with the limited time that we have, you have the rest of this week. We know the airdrop or a Binance Alpha airdrop is coming November 3rd. That doesn't mean that the main airdrop is going to be coming at that time. So plenty of opportunities. You've got a few days. Start participating and get your points up. Very, very simple to do. But the biggest thing is joining, connecting your socials. The last thing that you need to make sure you do, if you don't connect with a Metamask or a crypto wallet, for example, if you connect with a GitHub or with an email, you need to bind your wallet. Essentially, the wallet that you're probably going to be registered for potentially that airdrop. Now, you only have that until November 1st. It is October 30th. So you have essentially a day and a half before you can no longer bind your EOA wallet. So make sure that you've done that. Obviously, mine shows not required because I bound it and connected with my Metamask. So if you connected with Metamask, don't worry about it. If you connected with socials such as email, Google, app, or GitHub, make sure you connect your wallet. Otherwise, you may not be eligible for the airdrop. And so this is really the biggest things to understand. Daily quizzes for XP, being active with the different agents, and then getting testnet kite tokens and staking it. Now, the other things that you can also do, and the last thing that I really want to highlight is the opportunity to, for example, if you're going to go over here to swap, you can swap. You can also get test kite here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and connect here, and I'm going to just show you, I want a different wallet here. Just go to this wallet here. We're going to connect. And you can see I have Kite and then I have Test USD. So by simply creating transactions, participating, I'm just going to do max into Kite, review, approve, swapping. And this just allows the system to see my interaction with the different subnets and features along the KiteAI ecosystem. So highly recommend. You have to be able to get some tokens here. You can go to the faucet and get your faucet tokens. Like I said, it is completely free. You are limited to how much you can get every single day. So do be mindful of that. For example, drops unlimited, one request in 24 hours. Same thing with the Kite token directly through the Ozone testnet. That is everything you need to know about Kite. So let's move on to number 2, and that is Vooi. Now, I've talked about Vooi multiple times because when you look at a lot of these other perp dexes, they really don't do what Vooi does, and that's what makes Vooi unique. And in fact, there's a way we're going to talk about at the very end of the video how you can farm 3 airdrops through one protocol, and it's kind of insane. So Vooi is a perp dex. They recently are reaching all-time highs on their trading volume. They recently had an all-time high of 320 million in perp dex volume, which puts them kind of up there with the likes of up there with Avantis, slightly above Avantis, above GMX. 320 million puts them around Drift valuation. DYDX is around there as well. So if you look at something like Avantis has a 560 million fully diluted valuation. Obviously, this was a little bit higher, when crypto was, not dumping. But I mean, if you look at this, it has a 1-to-4 ratio. So it had about $1 billion or about a $2 billion fully diluted valuation at its all-time high in September. So there's a lot of upside to the likes of Vooi based off of how it's doing. If we look at Drift, Drift up here, sitting at a 370 million dollar market cap. So I think very reasonably you could see Vooi debut at between a $300 to $500 million market cap reasonably. Now, could it be a lot higher? Absolutely. Could it be on the lower side? Absolutely. So something to be mindful of as Vooi continues to grow. But the biggest thing to understand is the 2 campaigns that exist. Now, you have epochs. There's about a month and a half left for Vooi. So you have a little bit more time, not as time sensitive, but it is highly, highly competitive because you have a limited amount of points and therefore there's not an abundant supply. So yes, you may trade, you may get 1,000 points, but if you stop trading, you may end up that week with only 500 because more people got more points and they traded more. So be mindful of that. The biggest thing you need to understand is getting your bonus, getting your trading on Vooi Lite, trading on Vooi Pro, and your swap bonuses is very, very important. There's joining with a referral code actually gets you a 5% boost on your points. It does help me out as well, so I'll leave a link to it down below. Joining the cookie.fund campaign. So if you're trading, you're getting points on the likes of Voi's main TGE airdrop, but you also are accumulating points for the cookie.fund airdrop campaign. So 1.92%, almost 2% of the tokens are allocated for people who are trading on and promoting and putting out quality content on X. So you can get, for example, I'm ranked 518th, and I just got my multiplier. I expect this multiplier to grow up tremendously, but right now I'm almost in the top 500. I need to be in the top 300 to be able to be eligible for an airdrop through Cookie. That doesn't even mean and doesn't even count towards the main airdrop that's going to come through Vooi. So this is double dipping at its finest. Post quality content. I don't put out a ton of content on Vooi. I put a decent amount, but my points in collecting the Vooi points, you need at least 2,500 points. And this is based off of the last epoch. So I know I got about 3,100 points, so that barely got me the multiplier at 2.2. I'm sitting at almost 3 times that right now. So I expect my multiplier to go up significantly higher. And if you look at, where do I stand compared to some others out there, if I can get at least about an 8x multiplier, that could put me in the top 100. And that is a very easy, doable thing to accomplish. You can see, obviously, some people having higher multipliers. That is done by referring. So if you get 1,000 points in referrals, that gets you up to a 5x multiplier. Collecting Vooi points is probably the easiest, up to a 10x multiplier. And then referring a 10x multiplier, trading 10x multiplier, Cookie staking 5x. So the biggest focus is referrals and through doing your own trading. And I think there's a lot of potential in what that could be worth as far as what could the airdrop be worth. I think very reasonably, and I talked about this in a prior post, what I thought the reasonable airdrop valuation could be for the likes of Cookie, or not Cookie, but the airdrop coming through Cookie for Vooi. And so I put this together very, very briefly. I'm going to just scroll down here so you can kind of see the top 300 snappers at a $250 million fully diluted valuation could be splitting about $2 million between 300 people. That is a lot of opportunity. So definitely recommend checking out Vooi. Leave it linked down below. Now, last but definitely not least is Metamask campaign that they're doing of $30 million worth of Linea rewards. Now, it's not a Mask native token airdrop. It's 30 million worth of Linea tokens being airdropped. So how does this work? So essentially, there's a couple of different ways that you can qualify for this. I'm going to show you how this works and what could be the opportunity. Now, I'm just going to showcase this real quick. I'm going to bump over here and relaunch this because it's so important to see it from your phone, because this does require you to be on MetaMask's new airdrop or their new app update to qualify for the rewards and the airdrop. So this doesn't require any capital. Now, if you've traded and you've used MetaMask before, I'm just pulling this up here real quick. You are automatically eligible for what's called loyalty rewards. So I'm going to pull this over here so you can see what I'm exactly talking about. So I have right now about 16,000 points. I'm in level 2. There's different levels. So, obviously the higher level you go, the more points and more opportunities that you're going to get. Now, when you look at your loyalty points, so these are all accounts that I have connected where I've traded and I've used MetaMask in the last several years. So you're going to already see that if you go down here, you're going to have all of your loyalty bonuses. So if you use MetaMask and you did thousands of dollars in trading, you're already going to have points available to you. Now you can also have referrals, and then by swapping and using its features is also going to get you a bonus. But this is literally free money. Even if you don't trade on MetaMask moving forward, but you used MetaMask in the past, you're automatically eligible for the loyalty bonus. So it is literally the freest money that you could ever get. And there's a lot of different things that you can do. Swapping 80 points per $100. And it's not, you have to trade $100 worth. It's going to be incremental. Same thing with perps and by referring other people as well. So a lot of opportunity. There's 84 days. So there's plenty of time in something like this. So it's not as time sensitive. We went from the one you need to do to one you have a little bit of time to. So biggest thing to understand, this is also season 1. There's going to be multiple seasons. And there's a lot of bonuses. For example, this individual had almost 44,000 points in loyalty bonuses. So if you used old accounts, definitely recommend that you at least log in, update, and see what your points could be. You can also use a referral code to be able to do that. But here's the big takeaway. And I said boom shakalaka at the end because this is really a big brain moment for me. So you can farm MetaMask, Vooi, and Hyperliquid at one time. How does this work? MetaMask uses Hyperliquid's backend for its perp trading. Now, if you tie in your MetaMask account to Vooi, you use the same account. When you take trades on Vooi, it pulls from your, if you're using, for example, Vooi Pro, it pulls from your trades that you're doing on Hyperliquid. It also pulls up that trade on the likes of MetaMask. So, for example, as you can go over here and you can see right now I have a short position in on BTC. Now BTC just recently pumped a little bit, but this is my perp trade that I have currently open on Vooi. So if I go over to Vooi and you can go over to Pro and you can see my trade that I have currently open, this is my trade right now. So I have a trade where I'm farming Vooi, I'm farming Hyperliquid, and I'm farming MetaMask all in one go. Big brain idea. But either way, let me know your thoughts about these 3 airdrops. There's a ton of opportunity. I think a lot of options. Obviously, there's a lot of airdrops out there, but I think these 3 have a ton of potential, have a ton of opportunity, and love to know which one you're a huge favorite of. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Details are in the description as well. If you enjoyed this video, smash it like, enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, stay invested.